Okay, so we are going to make the greatest airplane ever using the Nakamura lock. First, fold the paper in half. Open the paper back up. Take one of the corners, go right to the center. Try to make these folds as exact as possible. Take the other side, match it so you end up with a point at the top. Then you're going to fold the point down right at the line that you've created. Again, trying to make it as exact as possible. Now, if you can imagine a dot about an inch above the very point, you're going to fold the corners to that imaginary dot. And here comes the magical Nakamura lock. That small tip that's sticking out, you're going to fold it up and over. That's the lock right there. Fold the whole paper over so that you can fold it in half. The lock will be on the bottom now. Fold the wings down. You want it to be about a ½ inch at the front of the plane and about an inch at the back of the plane. Once you have one side, easy to make the other side. You can just match it up. Perfect. And now for a test flight. All right, so out in the backyard, about 10 feet off the ground on our deck. Flight number 1. The fence is about 20 feet away. Pretty